Everyone, I am Pavitro and you are watching Learn Something with Pavitro. And today our topic is Constructor and Destructor in Java. We start a series in our channel which is Object Oriented Programming, or you can say OOPS, using Java. So class and object we cover in this series, and constructor and destructor in Java. So what is constructor? In Java, constructor is a special method that is used to initialize an object. Means constructor is a special type function in a class, and it is used to initialize the object of that class. Okay, it has the same name. Means the class name and the constructor name will be same. Okay, and it don't have any type of return type. It is a special type of function which don't have any type of return. Okay, then and it is called when an object is created. When a object is created of a class, then it is called automatically by that object. Okay, a constructor can take parameters. Constructor can take parameters, means constructor also take some parameters and some parameters. There are three types of constructor, which is default constructor, which don't have any type of parameter, and then parameterized constructor where have some parameters, and copy constructor, which is a copy of another constructor. Okay, another class or another constructor. Okay, then a constructor can take parameters and which are used to initialize the object's state. Okay, the a destructor is a special method that is used to clean up an object before it is destroyed. Okay, means destructor is a special method. It is a special method that used for clean up the object, which initialize the constructor. Constructor initialize the object, and destructor is clean up that object and take the resources from that object. Okay, which occupied by the object. And an object, okay, before it is called when the object is no longer in use. When object is not used long time, then it is called for destroying or taking the taking back the all resources from that object. Okay, destructors are not explicitly defined in Java. In Java, destructor don't have any destructor, but instance of that destructor here have one thing which is, or one method which is garbage collector, which also doing the same work that destructor will do. Okay, so in Java don't have any type of destructor, but here have one method which is garbage collector, which clean up or which mm, play the role of destructor in Java. Okay, then as the Java virtual machine JVM automatically handles memory management through the garbage collection. What I am telling that. Okay, then here is an example of a constructor and a destructor. In Java we can see constructor and destructor. So it is a class name public, my class. Our class always public, and here we have two variables, or you can say methods, which is one is private methods, private variables. First is int my int, and type int my int variable name, and second is string type my string variable name. Okay, here public my class, here don't have any my class name, don't have any type of return type. Okay, void int string don't have any return type, just that class is public and then class name is my class. So function name, or it is a special type of function, it is a constructor. Here the variables are initialized, and then you can see this method is called when an object is no longer in use. Automatically it is called. It is, we don't need to initialize it in Java program. Okay. Now to create an object of the my class, you would use the following syntax. For creating the object of my class, here is the class name my class, and for creating that object of class, you need to follow this syntax. That is my class name here, then your object name my object, and then use the new keyword, and then the constructor name, that is my class. And here pass two parameters, one and hello world. One is integer type and second one is string type. So you can see here my class my class constructor, and passed two parameters, one is int which name is my int, and one is string which name is my string. And these two parameters are passed by the this value passed by this constructor. And then when the my object is no longer in use, the JVM will automatically call the finalize method. Okay, you can see the finalize method is here. Key difference between constructor and destructor. Okay, constructor are used to initialize the state of an object, while destructor are used to clean up any resource that the object was using. Okay, constructors are called when an object is created, while destructors are called when an object is destroyed. Constructors must have the same name and as the class name, while destructors do not. Okay, constructors can be overloaded while destructors cannot. Okay, This is the key difference between constructor and destructor. You need to remember that the destructor method is not exist in Java. Here instead of here use the garbage collector, which is automatically called when an object was destroyed. Okay, so here do not need to specify the destructor as. Okay, for that uh, completed, our topic is completed, so we will be back in another video topic. So for that, this is end. Okay, thank you.